guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, I wasn't going to record a video today. As you can see, my nails are tragedy. So yeah, I wasn't going to record a video today, but the post lady's just turned up with a surprise parcel for me. Now, I didn't know I was receiving this because my buddy Aggie didn't tell me that she'd sent it. Naughty girl. She wanted it to be a surprise, and not only that, I don't think she wanted to jinx it after the Christmas parcel palaver. So yeah, she said she wasn't going to tell me that she sent it. So, and it's arrived. Now, all I know what's in this parcel is there's a shit ton of glitter. Like, yeah, a lot of glitter. So, who's ready to see some of the sparkly goodness? Let's crack on and I'll show you what she sent me. So to start with, she has sent me the whole collection of these gorgeous neon circles. Now look at them. How bright are these and how cool are these? And you get all different sizes, and you get the circle in the middle as well, which I really like, so you can use them as dots. But these colours are so pretty. Look at that pink one. Love it. The green one. Love it. Really nice colour. Look at that orange. It's looking more yellowy on camera, but it is actually a proper neon orange. You might be able to see it better there, kind of, but yeah, it is a proper neon orange, really bright. And then look at that yellow. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to crack on with some summer nails now. Really can't wait. This girl has well and truly loaded me out with summer glitters, I'm telling you. You wait until you see these. So we've got neon hexes. So we've got the purple. Actually, I'll put them with them. We've got the blue. Gorgeous. We've got the pink. Look at that pink. That is so pretty. Oh, love it. Again, the gorgeous green. So pretty. The yellow. Again, look how bright that yellow is. So bright. And then the orange. So you can see the orange better on this one, look. Now, oh yeah, that is a slightly darker orange actually, yeah. But yeah, look at that neon orange. Beautiful. I don't quite know what sort of pattern I'm going for here, but just go with it, guys, go with it. Then she sent me another collection. These are stunning. Look at these. Look at these iridescent glitters. And there's a bit of all sorts in there. There's like oranges, pinks, yellows, blues, green. And then you've got the clear iridescent, which has like a green shift to it. Yeah, they're so pretty. So pretty. Then this one has got green, silver, but it's got the purple shift to it. Look at that. I can't wait to have a play with these. And there's this one. I think I'm just going to let you look at these ones because I am useless when it comes to explaining the colours and what's in them. This is a really pretty one. And there's this one. I love that purple in that one. It's got a really nice purple, like a lilac purple. These are really, really different, so unique. Really like them. And that one's really pretty as well. It's got like a pink shift to the iridescent. Look at that. And it's got like the same again, like reds, pinks, yellows, all sorts in there. Absolutely all sorts. But I do like that they've got the fine in them as well. So pretty. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Then she sent me, I think she got these from AliExpress if I'm not mistaken. If you like the look of any of these glitters, guys, what I'm going to show you in this video, I will try and get the links off Aggie and pop them in the description box as well. So if you're interested in any of them, you can head over to AliExpress and have a look. So she sent me this gorgeous bright blue. Look at that. So pretty. Really nice, gorgeous, bold, bright blue that is. I haven't got any glitter that sort of colour, so I'm really happy with that. Really, really happy with that. Then she sent me the red one, which is the same as this blue one, out the same collection. Look how bright that is. So bright. And again, I don't think I've got anything like this, because they're all matte as well, which, as most of you guys know now, I really, really like matte glitters at the minute. They're so nice. I just love the effect that they give. But even though they're matte, they've still got a shine to them. It's really weird to explain, but really like them. Then she sent me some pink iridescent mylar. Super cute. Really pretty. Ooh, then she sent me these. Look at these. I love these. They're so cute. They're little raindrops and clouds. Look at them. And they're white iridescent. And they've got like a blue to pink shift to them. Look at them. How cool are they? Yeah, look at the little clouds. They're so diddy. Oh, I can't wait to have a play with them. They are so cute. Oh, and I like these as well. I've got a few different ones of these now. I've got the stars. I've got the designer ones. And I've got a few more coming as well from Cami. Cami's bought quite a few and she sent me some. So Aggie sent me these blossoms. And I like these because you can change them up. Like, you can have a yellow flower, but you can put a blue middle in it. They look really, really cool. So yeah, I can't wait to use them. Oh, and guess what else she sent me? Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at these, guys. Obviously, these are going to be my favourite item. Look at them. Matte white Louis Vuitton sequins. Love them. Oh my God, I've got so many ideas running through my head right now of what I want to do with them. So cool. Then she sent me some of this Mango Crush mylar. Look at this. I can't believe she sent me some of this and give this up, because that is so pretty. Look at that. Love it. Now the last two bags that she sent me are both collections again. And these are both off AliExpress. Now, I'm not going to handle these too much because they've got foil leaf in them. They break up really easy and that foil leaf turns to nothing pretty much. So I'm not going to handle these too much. You know when you've got glitter in your hands, you just want to keep rubbing it and rubbing it and rubbing it. But no, I'm not. I'm not going to do it. As much as I want to, I'm not. So this one, look at that orange, guys. Look at that orange. How bright and beautiful is that? Now these glitters are just to die for. So we've got this one which has got orange, matte, medium hexes and small hexes, and gold and silver foil, and gold dots. I don't think it's got silver dots. I think it's just got the gold dots. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think it's just got the gold dots, but it's got the gold and silver foil. How unique are these? I've not seen anything like these. So she sent me the orange. Now these are all very similar, as in the main colour is matte. It's got small and medium hexes. This has just got the gold foil, this one, and the gold dots. Yeah, look at that. Wow, so pretty. I'm running out of room to put things, guys. Running out of room. Look at this one. Wow. Now can you see where that foil has pretty much broke up to nothing? This did have chunky bits of foil in it like these, but it's where it's been touched and moved about, it's broke up to nothing. But still, it's just as gorgeous like that, so I don't mind. I'm not mad. So this one's got yellow matte. It's got that pink and red. Yeah, it's got red in it as well. Pink and red foil. And then it's got silver holographic dots. These are so unique. I've literally not seen anything like these anywhere. Look at this pink one. It's like a pinky purple. It's got white dots and silver and gold foil. Wow, I love it. I love every single one of these. And you get 12 of these different colours in a set as well. Look at this one, it's like a nudie coral colour. And then you've got white dots, black foil, and gold foil. That is so, oh my god, I've not seen even a colour like that. That is just so unique, so pretty. Probably one of my favourites. And this one, I love. I'm really in love with this like minty, greeny blue colour at the minute. Look at that. Oh! And that one's got gold holographic dots, red and gold foil. Oh, and this one as well. Look at that. Oh. That has got red dots, purple and silver foil. Oh, I think that's got black in it as well, I think. Oh no, that's purple. Oh, these are just so beautiful. Look at this yellow one. Oh my god. This is actually different. This is like a mustard yellow, and this is like a pastel yellow. But they've got the same foil in them, but that one's got red and purple. And this one has got green and purple. Look at that. I've not seen anything like these. Wow, I can't wait to start using these, you know. These foils are not going to go in my foil folder and not get used. No way. It's just not going to happen. If I end up putting these in my folder and not using them, I should end up in prison. Because they're just far too beautiful to not use. Look at this gorgeous pink one. This one's got silver dots, gold and silver foil. This one has got, look at that, purple. I love purple. Then it's got a hot pink foil and silver and gold foil. And then it's got, oh, it's got the rose dots. It's got rose pink dots. Oh, yes. Love it. Oh, look at this baby pink. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. And again, that's got the hot pink and the silver foil and silver holographic dots. And then last but not least is my favourite. 100% my favourite. Look at this. Have you seen anything so beautiful in all your life? So this has got matte white glitter. It's got blue holographic dots, the blue foil. Yeah, and this one's just got the blue foil in it. Oh, that is so pretty though. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Aggie. Oh, and we've still got one more left yet, guys. Still got one more left. And these are equally as beautiful. And again, this is a set of 12 from AliExpress. Now these ones are similar to the ones I've just showed you, apart from they've all got silver dots and silver foil. So then they've got the matte red, silver dots, silver foil. I think I'm going to put them on top of each other actually, and then you can see them all in their glory. Gorgeous. Oh, look at that blue one. That is gorgeous. I love that. So pretty. Look at this purple one. That is a beautiful purple. Really dark. Beautiful. Beautiful purple. And with the silver, it just complements it so well. Love it. Again, that's that like nudie kind of peachy colour. Really like this, you know. It's different, but in a nice way, a really nice way. And again, look at that bright orange. I love that bright orange. Beautiful. Again, that gorgeous minty duck eggy. I don't know, what colour would you call that, guys? Would you call it a mint green? Would you call it a duck egg blue? I'm not really sure, like, what to call that other than gorgeous. Beautiful pink. And that blue. That looks darker on camera than what it is actually in to the eye. It's a little bit lighter than what it looks on camera. My camera is really struggling to show you now because there's so much glittery goodness in the background. Gorgeous pink. Really, really pretty. Gorgeous yellow. Love that yellow one as well. I haven't got any yellow glitters, so I'm really happy about that. I've now got quite a few yellow glitters. And then look at that purple, like a lilac purple. Really pretty. So that is everything, guys. Look at all this gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. I can't believe how much this girl has sent me. Look at it all. And it's all so beautiful as well. I can't wait to try these, especially these, and obviously the Louis Vuitton matte sequins, obviously. But these I just can't wait to try. I really can't. I just want to take the time to say thank you so much, Aggie. You've spoilt me rotten, as you always do. Thank you very much, babe. But yeah, you really didn't have to send me all of this. Like, yeah, far too much. Far too much. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to leave the link to Aggie's YouTube and Instagram in the description box below. So if you're not already subscribed to her channel, please head over there and show her your love and support and tell her what an amazing friend she is to be spoiling me like this. Also, guys, she's less than 100 subs away now from becoming monetized. I'd really like to see her become monetized by the end of this month, so I'd really appreciate it. If you're not already subbed to her, please head over there and subscribe. And yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. So thank you ever so much for watching. I really hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.